Mac. All right. I should sort of sit better in this. Check the chat. Ah, come on, chat. Be cooperative. XYZ. So, hi everyone. My name is Michael Larouche, also known as Dark Shock on some forums. I did some MSU 1 hack on the Super Nintendo that the goal is to replace the music of classic SNES game with CD quality music. I did Mega Man X, I did Mega Man X3, I did Rocket Roll Racing, I did Chrono Trigger, I did Super Metroid, I didn't publish yet. And I'm going to do Top Gear 2. Top Gear 2 is a request I got from Jin Bombun on the Zeldix forum. Ask, hey, someone can do Top Gear 2, and just ask, well, if you can feed me some music, I'll do it when I got the time, and now I got the time. And it turns out that Top Gear 2 has a port on the Amiga CD32, which is a CD console, and this is like the Amiga 1200 being consoleized with a CD. And the Gremlins Graphic did the port of Top Gear 2 on the Amiga CD32X. To be honest, I'm not a fan of the music of the CD32X. I really prefer the SNES version, but anyway, this is a request I got to do it, so I'm going to show how I do MSU 1 hack. So I already did some work before, so I got the soundtrack from the CD version of the Amiga. I already assigned some track. I'm not sure this is the right one. This is not okay. I got the ROM here, which is assigned to SNES 9X right now, but I'll do like the BSNES and shit. So let's see, it's run. And Top Gear 2 got really good music, and also I prefer the first one honestly, but anyway. So the first thing we need to know is the ROM is a low ROM or a high ROM. The difference between the two is that this is the size of the banks of code and data. Because all SNES ROM is split up in banks, which is like 16K or 32K. When it's a low ROM, it's 60K, and when it's the high ROM, it's 32K. So you can find out using like a tool like Yukon, which tell us many information about. No, that's not what I want. And there we go. This is not IROM, but the other way to find out is to use a X editor. So my favorite one is right now it's Windex 3D, which is like a play word of Windex, the cleaning solution, which is kind of funny. I also, sorry about the accent, I'm not English is like my second language. I'm from Quebec. This is like the French part of Canada, if you don't know. So a quick way to find out which, if you don't have like Yukon, which I use to for final distribution, is to go like set FFFF, because at the end of the first bank in the SNES ROM, there's got like recreate information that Nintendo required developers to use. Like you get like the name of the game, the region, the chip. I don't know which one information. Anyway, this is at the end of the bank, and also we got like the required pointers like to the RQ routine, the NMI routine, which is like the routine that's called 50 frame per second or 60 or 50 if you're out in the PAL region. And right now we can see that if the code isn't the first bank, we don't got a lot of place. Should be a problem if we need to find empty space, but we're not quite ready to do that yet because we need to find out the routine which is called the music. If you are lucky, I don't know the game that much. I never look at this game on the S side. Also, I will also prepare the tools that I use. I use for assembling the code. I use Base, the 14 version, which is an assembler that BU done, which is the one this is the guy that did BSNES and EGAN and also the MSU one specification. I also got like my trusty batch file. This is not edited yet. I'll should edit the make one. Yeah, so there we go. That should Top Gear 2. There you go. That should. I use makefile because not makefile but batch file because I find just handy, and I could try a lot of shit, and I'm not afraid of trying lots of risky stuff. Before when I was doing ROM hacking as a teenager, I used to not doing copies of my ROM, so I just prefer to be like every time I do make, they clean up the MSU ROM and just rebuild everything. I prefer that way. It's much cleaner and then much efficient, so I can just try dumb stuff if I want and whatever. I don't care. So if you look at my batch file, you see that I do 2 assembly of the same file. The reason I do that is because right now the volume level it's different on the emulator and then on the SD to SNES, which is the flash card that supports MSU on the real hardware, which is the kind of way I prefer to doing kind of stuff. So that should be good. Let's try to ensemble like empty file that I already prepared there. I just make sure I should open like a previous one I did to make sure I got the right preamble. There you go. I'll just copy that and no, forgot. I need to seek macro and this one. This is what I do before that. I just sorry about that. I just copy paste something I already did before. So this is like the syntax the BAS assembler use. So I already defined like a convenient syntax highlighting for Notepad++, which is the editor I use. As you can see, I'm using like a French version of Windows, so this is all in French, but it should be doesn't matter. Also, I got my notes. So right now I know this is a LROM. This is important because in the memory of the SNES, the ROM is not mapped the same way as an iROM. So the address in memory, it's not the same. And to convert between a physical address, like a PC, and LROM address, they call it PC, or to PC like to a SNES address. So if I go set to 000, there we go. You see that this is like the bank register on a SNES. This is it starts at 8,000. It's just all in hexadecimal. If you don't know hexadecimal, this is kind of way to store binary data more efficiently. So you got distinct value like after 9, it goes after F and whatever. So if you're watching this is very technical. I think you guessed that by now. So there we go. I just prepared a note before that. I usually do like free space. I'll do that to look at free space after I found out the routine. The music is just to help me like map which index the game used to which known name of the track. Resource is like just a scratch pad, and routine, this is where I copy. I will do not copy that much routine. I try to do it quickly, to be like a quick video. I think it will be like 2 hours. I think to find out. Other research like to copy like random notes I found out when I acted ROM. So I think I'm ready to open the debugger. So for research, I use SNES debugger, which is like a custom version of SNS 9X done by Geiger, which is the guy that did Temporal Flux, the Chrono Trigger editor for doing RAM hacking. He did that for finding out about all kind of stuff in the Chrono Trigger RAM. So right now I just trigger the arm, and you notice that SNS 9X doesn't start the game right now. This is like to let you know, put breakpoints, doing all kind of shit. So when you're doing MSU on research, you need to find out where in the code the game starts transferring data to the SPC. The SPC is the audio code processor of the CNES. This is a completely independent processor, and to communicate between the two, you got 4 memory address, which start at 2140, and you got also 2141 and 2142 and so on up to 2143. And the thing we want to know is when the game is start transferring data, blocks of data to the SPC. And going for that, you need to go upwards. You need to go on the top of the calling stack to find out like the routine that's calling, like you want a routine that's called let's say play music and track number. This is not like that in the assembly. It would be like something like this is like a constant, and GSR play music. So the CNES is using a 65816, which is like a 16-bit version of the Veneran 6502. Sorry about the name. I'm not really used to say the name of the processor in English, so sorry about that. Can I get a chat some? There we go. I need a chat. You're saying you got question and shit, so let's try this. And you need to set to the right. So every time the game's write to the 4140 address, it will break inside the debugger and you'll see the code that's being executed. And I know for sure that Top Gear 2 is running at the first. You see the title screen. There we go, it's already transferring shit. That's interesting. So as you can see there, this is the bank. This is the address in the bank. This is like the hexadecimal representation of on this line of code. STA is a store assembler, and you got all this kind of shit. So I'm pretty sure this is part of the loop. There we go. You got a compare loop. You need to make sure that the compare is just to make sure that you transfer every bit of data to the SPC. So if you go step into, see looping. So what I can do to skip that is just go to 9F F268 and add 2 to that, because because you got two bytes to indicate the branch is not equal instruction. So this is stank B. So if this get executed, there we go. And what the hell? Why am I? That's weird. It doesn't get executed, so I got maybe it's more far away in that routine. So well, I got this, another compare. I'll try to go there. In fact, right now what I'm looking for is a command log called RTS, which is return to subroutine. Because I want to find out the topmost function that called routine, and I don't remember if the game is calling the music right now. Maybe it's just transferring data, like the samples and the sounds effect right now. So let's try if you can skip the loop. Nope. Okay, that's bad. FB, no. This is called several times. You can see it's part of the loop because the X register is scrolling down. There we go. I don't care about that stuff. I should. What should I usually do when you see my notes of my GitHubs? Like I just copy the routine over and over again, but I just find out that's pretty inefficient to do that. But there you go. Okay, let's see. This is the one. I don't know why it doesn't. I just copied that. Wait, we messy. That's why I didn't get. Let's find out. Okay, I want to go after this guy. And man. Okay, I'll just remove this big point for one. There you go. Just add it. Branch. And it's just, it's still reading data from the game. Pretty sure. This is. Wait a minute. So in the Super NES mapping, the 7E and 7F is part of the RAM. So right now that means the game transfer data into RAM and copy that to the SPC, which is kind of weird. But is accident data and is an index, so. And you can see another transfer to the SPC right there. The ST41, 21, 41, and 42, and we got our loop back that we found out here. So, okay, this is. I need to go after this ones. Okay, which is 88, and remove that. So, if you are lucky, nope. Okay, so I just. This is another one. Okay, I need to keep that. This is not. This is far down the mapping of the room. This is kind of weird. I'll just. Right now it's right now it's loading. You see the LD instruction there? That's means loading from the ROM. So I copy there that name to the and going there in the X editor. So just go away and you can see it's some random data is loading. STA, I need to find out a branch loop dex, which is okay. I want to go after that. Maybe not. Let's see the code. Okay, no. Just make sure the transfer is up. I think it's just for acknowledge that just reading the data, something like that, and it start doing the loop elsewhere, which is okay. We part of this. Sorry about that. So this is a lot of try and errors to find out the routine, but right now I'm pretty sure it's loading the music data because after this splash screen, the title music starts. So okay, I want to find after that. Okay, and add 3 to that. No, 2 to that. Skip and run and remove that. There we go. We got your RTS. So if I go to step into, let's copy that to future to make sure I got something. This is look like the play music routine, but I don't know yet because maybe this is part of like a pretty deep down routine that's not the topmost routine that we want. So you can see here that there's an RTS. So if I break that and remove like 2 from the RTS one, from this one, because some games do like factoring like a block transfer, because this is like transferring blocks data to the SPC is done in blocks. It is not a full stream of data and code that's streamed to the SPC code processor. It's like, I don't know the size of the block that's transferring, but you need to transfer several blocks of data to the SPC to get the code and the data required to play the music on the SPC. So I want to remove 2 from that, which is like 9E, and see. Oh, there we go. There's a GSR to our routine right there, and I will just separate that. And it looks like this is part of another routine. Yeah, this is like just a low level stuff. So there we go. I need to go a little bit higher in the hierarchy of this call stack to find on that. Okay, so no, I need to add 2 times 2, which is like B1, yeah, and run step 2 STA, and it's doing a transfer to. You don't need to understand all the code. This is when you get used to doing like this kind of ROM hacks, you get like a feel. This doing kind of like that. This is like a lot of guesswork, but it works. It's not a bit silly, but that's how it is. Man, I just want to skip. You fucking compare. Sorry about the bad language. I should not do that. Okay. I want to skip that. I'm much higher in the. Damn, he's doing a lot of stuff. CF. Okay, now it's doing a loop. Again, a loop to make sure that data is correctly transferred. Okay, F for D2. Okay, F42 and run, and there we go. We got another RTS there, which is after all this shit. So it's calling, yeah. Yeah, where's this big boy is called from? Okay, so I'll do there, put a breakpoint. I'll just put there, so make sure it got executed before. Sorry about that. I just should. Is this? Okay, this is getting called again, which is not the same as this. And step over to just keep. There we go, and which means this is the which means maybe this is much higher than this. So I'll just go step storing the data more in the 0-page register, and because we want to find out a routine that's called only once, and right now if I do run, this is called several times, which means this is not the step out. This is not the version I'm looking for. This is not the routine I'm looking for. Sorry about that. Man, I just got step into, step out, step over. I need to do that. Step over them and compare. It's doing. Sorry, I was skipping that loop. I don't need this anymore. F1 66. There we go. Run. Again? He's doing this. No. Again? No, yeah. STA PLD. Oh, that looks like the end of it, because he's pulling out the data register, and PLD is the data bank, and no, I think this is the code region. I don't remember. Let's see about that. and just switch. I don't remember that. Which one it is? Pull data bank and pull data register. Okay, PLD. Okay, PLB is pull data bank and PLD is pull direct page register. Okay, because you can, if we see the register there, you see that the DP is like this one, and you can change that to just when you read data, you can change the direct page register, so we can go faster reading some part of the memory much higher in the memory than the direct page, which is usually at the top of the memory, and the data bank is like just the data bank. So if I go there, I'll just copy that. This is as a node, and I think we got the routine we're looking for. Yes, this sounds like that. And I'll just add a breakpoint to the topmost. C4 to D1. And run. And the music is playing. I'll just reset to make sure that. There we go. That doesn't look like it. Maybe not. I'll just play the game. And this is the routine that should be called several times, which means, there we go. Means this kind of transfer routine. Maybe the game is asking, let's play the game and are there different music? No, this is not the routine we're looking for, so sorry about that. I need to reduce this. So, damn it, this is another one we're looking for. So we start the game. We add breakpoints. I think I'll just wait and do the breakpoint there. Did I already got that address? I think I did. Yes, I did. This is the transferring data. A bit. Just there. I already got that thing. I'll get this one, which is part of. Okay, it's just transferring data, which is kind of weird. Maybe just playing silence. That should, maybe that's it. Maybe just playing silence. Hey, what the fuck am I? STZ. Did I get the RTS before? I think I didn't. This kept logically between the writers so I doesn't confuse myself. There we go. I think I got this one. No, this is not the same. Okay, so maybe higher than that. Okay, so this is part of the maybe the NMI routine, which is kind of weird. Okay, no, just I'm curious. Okay, the game H frame is trying to send data to the SPC, which is kind of weird. Usually it's not like that, so. That's bad. So sorry, I just get to pop the chat. Maybe see I get some questions. So I get some viewers. I just want to pop out the chat. Or maybe it's not, it's still streaming. I want to pop out the chat. Pop out. And still, I won't check the chat that much because whatever. And why this is slow to load? I don't know why. Okay, so I got this routine, this RTS. Let's go. And this function. That doesn't look like an index I can find out about. So sorry the chat's not loading so I can answer your question and shit. Alright. So where should I look before that? This is clearly a data transfer to SPC routine. So let me just go there and try to find out where this came from. RTS. Just this one. Let's add a breakpoint to this GSR. All right. My accent is so bad. I don't know why. It just happened that with English, just sometimes I get the English like quite good, but I don't think this is the right time to do this. I don't know. So run. And the routine doesn't get called. Start, so spamming start to get to the game. Nope. Why the game is slowing like that? So this is not the one. Let's try this one maybe. Okay, I'm closing the emulator each time. This is kind of sucky. Let's exec it. I like the debugger that doesn't care that I just pasted a slash, which is kind of cool. So let's try before that. And keep this one and move 2. So make sure it's maybe 3. So make sure it's executed before the GSR. Ah no, I can remove that. Sad face. So like I said, this is like triangular. There's no secret to this. So. Oh, maybe I got something. This is. I think I already not that one, which is. Maybe I got something. No, I never copy that one. I'll just copy up here. And this call. Oh, that's which. Wait, where does that go? What does this? It is related to audio. Yes, it is because it's going to the SPC register in memory. So. Well, there's no clear music playing. So I'll just reset the game. And it is getting called there, which is I'll just so the value is the same, maybe just a pointer to data. So and is consistent to what we got before. Yes, it is. So maybe this is before that. Step over. It's calling a bunch of routines. Show F1. It's going to take down. I want an RTS, man. Oh, there's a lot of routine up there. He's calling several times this. Damn, he's doing. This looks like an unrolled loop. I don't know why. This is a gut feeling. You see, he's calling several times this, and there's a duplicated code, which means like maybe it's unrolled to skip compare to skip branching, which is kind of a bit faster. Yeah, this is a lot of duplicated code, which is, yeah, we see a lot. I want an RTS, damn it. Okay, so I didn't even go into that. That's where am I? Where am I? That's step out, and we're back to, yeah, after that, after this GSR. Step over. Still, damn it, it's doing the same kind of stuff over and over again. No, I don't want to go with that routine. Yeah. No, it's still transfer data. And it's doing it again and again. 2D and oh. There you go, I'll just break. Yeah. That we should be quicker than wait until, there we go. Just run the thing. Yep. And another compare. That should be quick to skip. For this. Skip that. Run. Another compare. Oh man. All right. So. Okay. This is getting kind of messy in the notes, so I want to try to break before that and make sure that's called every time the game is asking for a new tune, which is like this. So reset the game. Sad face. 3 hey. Maybe this is for just the track when you are in game. Maybe this is not the play routine for. There we go. 1. I want to try something. No, it doesn't sound. It doesn't change anything. That's kind of sad. So this is only called. Man, this is kind of frustrating. I want to do this quick for you guys, but like I said, this is try and error, so damn it. This is not the one. I think I already got this one. Something. It's doing some audio stuff though, which is okay. This one is. Already found out this one is not called as often, so often as he wants. All right. Okay, so where should I look to find out this one? I think I already looked this one. This is followed by this, if I remember correctly. Just doing to find out. There. Reset the game. Step into, yeah, this is called after that. Let's remove that. No, this is the one that part of the RTY routine, so damn it. Fucking game. Just remove that because just duplicate data. Seem to be called from the NRI routine. The reason I know that because of this instruction, which is a return from interrupt, because when you're doing an interrupt on an old console, on an old system like that, it just push more information on the stack to return. It put because when you call a subroutine, you push the return address. But when you do RTY, you push also the registers, because an interrupt can be called anytime in your code. So the code is not prepared to be interrupted by an interruption. So when the RTY when you return from an interrupt, the processor needs to be sure that everything is go back as the same state it was before calling the interrupt. So that's why when you're doing an interrupt routine, you need to call the RTY. I'm kind of sad because I want to find that routine. So the goal there is to find the routine and just disable it. So if you don't hear music, that's mean we found the correct routine. So I will try this one. Okay, so yeah, this is called every frame. Let's try this one. Like I said, this is the first time I saw a game poking the SPC every frame, which is kind of weird. So this is this one, which I already found out that's part of. Where do you look at this one? And yeah, it's too. Yeah, where do you look at this? And this is, I think, there was this one. No, where was that? Damn it. I know Cali City. Step over, no, step into, step over. So yeah, step into is going deep down into the function / routine. Step over is keeping the jump to a subroutine, and step out is when you are inside a subroutine and you want to get out. That's part of the transitional debugger jargon. I don't know if to say this is the right word to use in English, but yeah. Okay, I already look at this. I don't remember this address, so. Okay, this is called several time, which mean. Yeah, also. Maybe I should look for this instead. Yeah. I'll just wait. Wait, transfer is done. No, this is part. So this is why before that I'm copying the complete routine of code, because I don't kind of know, oh, this is part of that function, something like that. All right. Oh, I think I got something. So which function write to this address? Because this is used to point data, so maybe that's. I don't like this. Where's the memory stuff? Okay, show X, that's right. Show X. Oh, you got to be kidding me. So, the reason we don't see show the X data because right when I'm using this, I'm using dual screen setup, and right now it is not set up to be a dual screen. So, right now the setting is set to the position of the window is saved into the settings, and things like outside of this on the second screen. So, I'm screwed. Okay, just retry this. This is weird. Why is... I want to find where it's running to C5. Ah, there you go. I just go absolute. Sorry about that. So there we go. Why? Okay. Maybe he's right. So go. Let's try going to the game. See this store is called. I think I reduced the volume of the game. There we go. Because in my phone, this is kind of loud. No. Oh no. We're already hearing the music, so this is not the one that should be looking at. Man. I'm kind of... Okay, so... After some... Already got that one, which is part of this transfer routine. I think we got the RTS of that one already. I don't know. I didn't... Did I note that? Okay, let's see. Yeah. There. Yeah, let's look more at like a transfer. If there's some this, so let's break that. I don't know why. This is like a gut feeling. Run. No, I want to remove that. This is called, yeah, as a loop, because this is loading. That's, oh man. Maybe I should just remove this. Where the setting I saved there? Ah, there we go. It's nice alignment. Display wind. Debugger. Okay, so I'll just copy that. Change the setting there. And should be good to go. So I put the X. Now that should be good. Yes. So I got my RAM. And I should put that there. I didn't like it. So, now. This is kind of weird. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay, so this routine just called at the beginning of the game. So, if I go there, okay, now I want to skip there. If I put it back, so is this function getting called when you load a different game? No, damn it. So No, so this is called near the beginning of the game. I'm not lucky. That's so I don't remember that. Let's try this one. Reset. Yeah, okay, this is called several times. And where does that go into? Okay. This is far. This is far, way far. Let's see, this is called yeah, this is getting called when you load the game, so which function is calling that? Yeah, so let's just go far upward. Okay, so this is the function that call here, so just copy that there, and this is for, this was for, okay, this was there. No. And before that, I can also see that the register doesn't have, oh, maybe this one. Okay, so I need to put a breakpoint there. Let's see how many times this get called. Several times, which means this is, damn it, this is part of, yeah, this is part of transfer routine. Okay. No, I already verified that, so that's kind of pointless to do this. Damn it. Okay, so okay, so what should I do? This one is already, this one already, what's it called? Reset. This is called there. Okay, so I think that's no, step out. And it's calling this one. I think we already look at this. Yeah, we already look at this. That kind of suck. But where did this get called though? Step over. Man. Okay, step over. No, step. Oh, maybe that should do it. Let's try before that. 71, so which means 6F. Okay, 6F. So, no, that was just dummy code. So sorry about that. Run. Step over. Step over. Okay, so why doesn't go after that? Right. Push data. Oh, what is he doing? Okay. He's loading. He's changing the data register right now. No, the direct page register. Sorry about that. Alright, just skip the loop. Oh man. 9F F140. There we go. It should be good. Another compare, so that's weird. It's doing like compares to. That's interesting. So it's loading. This looks like it's doing. Yeah, this is interesting. This looks like it's asking. Because to start playing, you need to tell the SPC, oh, execute this address. So this is look like, I'll just copy that. There. So telling the SPC to play something. No. Telling the SPC to play something, so. And this is way after that. Oh, man. Okay. And aura store N2 aura 41. This one is interesting. I really like to look at this code. I don't know why. So he's testing. This is the first time I see like doing a bit to make sure that the 2140 is doing correctly. So that's kind of weird. And starting also. I think I got something. Yeah. Because it's considered at the graphic, it's doing the fade out to go to the title screen, at the main menu, sorry. Okay, so PLD RTS, so which is, don't we already got this RTS somewhere? No, I like this. Okay, so which function called this interesting routine? This is part of. Okay, so this is called after that. Step over. Yeah, this is part of. Okay, so let's add a breakpoint to that. So this is no B. Reset. There we go. So far this is called only one time, which is kind of good. So let's see. Is this getting called when you change the music? Yes, it does, but there's no clue which Which index got called? So I want to try something funky right there. So I need to find some empty space first. Alright, so it seems that most of the code of Top Gear is called into the night one bank, so 9F bank. So let's go there. So let's go there and see, find if you got some empty space there. And if you are lucky, there's a no. I want where the That's weird. This is the end of the room, and it doesn't look what you got space. So let me find out another empty space. No, let's go. So set FF. I'll just specify that the little room 9F. So okay. Set F. I'm not doing this properly. Maybe that's why. So let's try at the end of this. Okay. So the random data is kind of weird. Like this FB, that's okay. That's weird. Let's try another one. Another one set. It's all consistent though. What the? Okay, so let's go to tree one. This is FE. Okay. This is weird. This is the first time I see this kind of padding out of banks. So usually at the end of each bank, if the bank is not filled up, you see like zeros of or FF fill out the room. If maybe I should show you in another room that I already looked at. You find out that some games, like I think the most offending one was Super Metroid. I found like 12K of padding data, which is kind of insane because you can put a lot of stuff in a retro game, in a CNES game. Okay, this is weird. Why this is like, I mean, this is like look like always the same size. So this is 16 multiplied by 4. This is 128 bytes of data. Okay. You got several banks because the game is kind of okay. I'll just scroll down and find until I find like padding data, because right now it's like not going anywhere somehow. So okay, this is a pretty tight game. Tight, I mean. Maybe okay, so oh, that's interesting. Free space, and this is not at the end of a bank, so this is bizarre. I'll still keep note of that as a reminder for free space. So okay, 41 or far to I'm just finding it weird as this is the middle of a bank. Maybe because this is a British game. I don't know why. This is I never see that kind of stuff before. Okay, this is like duplicate data. Okay. Because your best bet to find free space is at the end of banks, because you're pretty sure that you're not overriding some data of the game. That's pretty. This is okay. Each end of bank is really weird in this game. That's okay. So far I don't have any luck to find empty space. Maybe that's just the filling pattern was kind of random. Maybe that's the key. Yeah, like this. What the hell is that? What? It's so padding data. That's man. You can see like some kind of pattern in on the right. So much zero. So maybe this is like the uncompressed data for the tracks, maybe something, I don't know. I'm just riffing out like that. Yeah. Yeah. I know this. I think there's some tool to find free space in the realm. I tried to use one and didn't work, so I just Google I'll just go manually to find it. So I'll just go at the end of the run. Okay, I can trust this cycling pattern because maybe this is part of the game. Okay, that was 9. No. Yeah, this is maybe this is it. Okay, I don't want to scrap the original, so I'll just go make and just open the MSU one, so I can scrap this from and not the original, because I keep the original around to do the IPS patch and using the distribute patch file. I don't know. Okay, so let's just put 0 there. And see if the game crashes, something like that. I don't got a lot of space, but that should be enough to do like some try and errors to disable some stuff in the game and see what all the game react. So let's try this in the emulator. Let's try it on. Okay, so the game doesn't crash, which is good. Okay, so I can use this data as a. So just take note of that. And this is good because this is the same bank as all the SPC transfer data we found. So, which is pretty good. Because if the free space is not the same bank as the code, we need to do like a bigger jump, because the jump instruction is only relative to the banks, because this is a relic from the previous the preferred 8-bit processor that's the NES processor is based on, but you can do jump is like relative, and GSL is like the absolute, the use of 24 bits pointer to an address. So, and this is take way much space than a jump, because you need an extra byte to store the bank you need to go. So that should be good. And So if I go there and go there and just transfer that and go into this one and do seek. I think we need to, yeah. And do a RTS. Just put a label and so which one did you want to hijack? I think this is this one. No. Oh crap! I lost the one that I was looking for. And this is the call that called this. I think this is this one. No, this is the one before that. Oh, phew, I already got this. So I want to execute that. Okay, so this just look like this. Maybe I should start to paste that into the routine. So sorry about that. All right. So let's hijack this and do nothing and see what what this does to the game. This is like very terroristic way to do this. So GSR test MSU, and this is return to subroutine, so this does nothing. Like the goggles on the radioactive man in Simpson episode. So so if we reload the data there, we see that he assembles some shit. This 60 is the X value of RTS, so we can see is assemble our code correctly. So let's try this into the game. So I need to load the MSU one and see what this does to the sound. And the game looks like stuck in an infinite loop. Yeah, yeah, it is. So this is bad. Okay, so I'll just remove this stuff. Yeah. All right. I'm not lucky on this one. I'm sad. So I just want a routine that's called with a good value in the register. Okay, so let's go. Let's try to go a bit deep, higher than that. And going back here, no, common tools and debugger. Damn it. Okay, go to the original. This is better than screwing up the MSU X1. I could just recompile the shit, the MSU one ROM, which is like right now it's used as a scratch just to try stuff. Okay, so I want to go before that. Step over, man. Maybe that's why I'm pasting routine endlessly, because it just helped me keeping track of where I look in the code before that. Okay, so now I'll skip that. F1 40 47. So damn it. Why game? Why? Hey, this is the routine I copied earlier. So yeah, this is the one. This was called elsewhere. I remember that. Maybe I'll just start copy paste. I'm too lazy. Let's just go the foolish way and trying to find out. Step over the. Okay, BMI. Yeah, damn it. Okay, so this is F11A, F11D. Okay, that's right. That's a routine. I just went into the damn it. The routine there. If I remember correctly, this is like a lot of duplicated. It just, dude, I don't want to go there. CLC, yeah. It just loops. Step out. Now that I got EX, so let's see where the C4. Okay, this is one. So at C5 here, I got nothing, but maybe it's 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9B. This is look yeah, this is look like data. It's got read, and this is, yeah, that's look like it. Yeah, that's look like it. So when this got, I want to find out when this got right. 7E 01 C5. I want to see when this is got right. No. There we go. This is what I was looking for. So. Oh, this is way before this jump, so. The only time this is getting called. Okay, this is getting called there. And there as well. Okay, this is called so several times. And oh, C7 is also set. This is weird because you will be overriding data from there. Okay. Okay, so so C7 is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the. Are we in 8-bit mode right now? I don't remember. No, we're no. No, we are not. 8-bit mode, so it's just storing. Yeah, the bank. Yeah, it's storing the bank address. Why is doing? Yeah, you need to do to store because this is a 24 bits address, and we got our GSR there, so this is interesting. There we go. GSR. This is the GSR there that's got that's called several times. So we just copy that there because this look interesting. We copy that to the routine just complete because this sounds like the routine we're looking for. I know this is not the first time I'm saying that, but still. Okay, so it's still setting the pointer there. Okay, after 32. Whoops. I need to go. step out. Step over. And just copy that. Yeah, I think this is the right way to do it, because this look like a good routine to copy. Yeah, just doing this manually. I know it's kind of retarded to do this, but whatever. And just filling blanks, like unraveling like a secret of the game. Like I'm looking like this. Right, so I already copy that. Doing a branch. Okay, so I want to go there. F9 42. Okay, no, I can remove this one because I got 3. I think I need it. There we go. And I need to go to CP. No. Right, so I skip that. Come on, guys. F1, this is 3. Run. No, this is. Okay. 6. Another compare. That's fun. Okay, so. And we got RTS there. I think I already copied that somewhere. Yeah. This is not called after the one. Yeah, right, because this is called at the beginning of the game. But F4 A3. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so let's copy that and find out when often this get called. Move the address. Oh, it breaks. Interesting. And also the A register is kind of valued that I like. That's interesting. So this is the beginning of this routine. Maybe not. I'll just until it looks like. So I need to like to for until DB. Okay, so I copied the rep. So just go there. Just filling the blanks there. We're coming close to our DB, so. Damn. Step out. Too far away. Okay, let's go reset. And this call with 12. Okay. So let's get call there. No. Oh, I got this one 12. Too much time. That's kind of silly. Okay, so I want to fill the blanks there. 72, and I should need to skip the GSL. Ah, damn it. Just that's okay. So why are you doing a GSL? You are in the same bank. That's weird. Anyway, this maybe the assembler they used back in those days was not as, I don't know. Why? This is inefficient. You just lost one byte. Step over, now step out. Step out. No. Damn it. I want to. Okay, so I'll just break that. Okay, reset. Let's just try heatsink the register and put 1 instead. No. Okay, this is not the same routine that's calling this. But the routine is getting called twice though. So where's the RTS there? Okay, so right, so reset. Let's go into here. I'm curious where the track select is calling this. All right, so where did this go? There's a 000, okay, which I kind of like. Oops, I made a typo from 9FO83. So I need to break out. It happens often if, again, you need to hook it up at several places where the play routine is called. So this is I need to remove A, exec, reset the game. Okay, so let's try changing the register there. No, but I'll note that. So when entering a race. Okay, so maybe. Okay, I'll try to go after that. Okay, step over. Damn it, no. Okay, I'll do a save state. F. So I'll be able to skip all this crap. Save game position, yeah. There we go. And slot 1. So I can just step over there and step over. I'll just copy that. Starts copying that, so I can just referring to that. Oh, this is way up. So okay. Entering a track. This is a routine. This is pretty important to keep notes because you can always can always analyze the code later and find out. This is a good way to track. Oh, maybe I can hook at this line, or maybe I could hook this line to call my own routine that I put inside the ROM. Okay, so this is looking, and as always, I'm looking for return to subroutine, so I know where this is getting called. And 46. 75. Just there's no branch. Okay, this is like gameplay code. Okay, whatever. Oh, missing a $sign. All right. And he's not. He's looping now. This is. I'll just go. There's no that many because it is looking at the X register, so just keep it at. Oh damn it! He went to a routine. Oops! I forgot this line. Oh, there's 2 decks, so okay, so how do you copy that? Silly me. There you go. So step out, step over. He's doing a jump. Fuck my life. So I don't know where is getting called. Okay, I'll just go. Just broke. Okay, 9F and just maybe 20, something like that. I need to reset the game. Silly me. And the chat still didn't load on Twitch, so fuck. Okay, so ASL. He's loading a constant there, loading at this address. Okay, so loading this ESL. Okay. Start there, loading there. It's doing 2 multiplied by 4 the address there. Aura with this and transferring to X to find out. Okay, so this is not okay. What does there? Okay, LDU C1 CF. Which is set here. Okay, setting the register to save code space. LD1. Okay, so this looked like. Oh, so maybe that's why it didn't work. Let's try something crazy. Okay, so let's break there and store a different value in the register. Okay, I really need to make a save state. Okay, I know where I'll put the save state. There. There we go. So let's try putting a 2 here instead. There we go. We found it. I'm happy. I'm happy. So if I load the state and put 0 into the register, let's see what it plays. And the game the game crash. That's interesting. Run. Load the position. There we go. And let's try 2. Oh, I already tried 2. Let's try 3. So 1 is Auckland. This is the kind of name they did. So this is Ayers. Okay, let's be Fire. Auckland, Ayers Rock, and Canterbury Plains. Canterbury. Okay, I'll put Plains and This is that Canterbury Plains. So we found the tracks. Okay, cool. Okay, so I don't remember the shortcut. Okay, so let's try 4. And this doesn't work. So maybe this is only for the, yeah, this is like an index for only this kind of stuff. Okay, no, research, no, I want to go to routine. So this is this store which music to play in memory. That's good, that's good. And this one was called anything in arrays. So I'll go before that. This is called into the title screen. So I'll just remove 3 maybe. So reset the game. Okay, ST. So that's ST1C. I could just look it up. They do a right breakpoint to this address, so I'm just curious about. Damn it, step out. This is okay. I'm pretty. No, he's doing. Oh, that's okay. He's doing. Okay, so I don't remember if I can write to before that. Okay, so let's copy that into routine. This is after that. This is called the title screen. try something. No, I want to break this one. Okay. And 2 and show X. Can I? Yes, you can. So I'll just try this. C1. So this is 1. Okay. So just run the game. So, I think I found something. So, I'll just go to this one, this address, and to the, and just do, and just do the first instruction to be an RTS, and see if all the game reacts to this. So. Okay, so, but I don't know for the ending and shit. So okay, so let's try this into the debugger. Okay, all the game reacts. So the expected behavior now is doesn't hear any music, and the game should play. And I think I found everything. Yeah, that's great. That's great. There we go. Okay, so well, I don't have enough free space to do this. Okay, that's the game. Okay. Maybe the game is looking after this. Okay, no. Okay, come and enter a track. Does it check the SPC register after this? Okay, why are you stuck? Ah, god damn it. So where does this get called? Damn it. Since we hijacked the... Maybe this one? To surprise B. Go away, cat. Ah, damn it. Which... Okay, so let's try this line with the original code to see. Okay. Which function did this one get called? Okay, maybe I already did copy this. No? F1 DE. I think this is one. This is the one. Yeah. Yes, sir. F4 D. Let's call my. This is not the function I want. Damn it! Ah, man, I was so close. But still, I can. Okay, so I'll just note the index. So 0 is title screen music. I want to try 4 at the title screen, and this is called making a track. There we go. I want to break there because I'm just pissed off that. Wait a minute, this is not the original game, so I need to load this. Oh no, this is the original game. And edit the value, and let's try 4. Run and stop. So which mean the end credits and the victory is not calling this. Okay, so and if I do C1, do 2, run. but that doesn't fix where the game is looking. Oh, it's the SPC I've done, so I need to find. That's why I'm trying to find a higher routine. But this is like kind of close to it. Ah man, I'll stop at 6:30. I'll try to find it after that. So this is why I'm blindly copying routine there to comply, because I can just look it up and say, oh, that's where he's doing that and that and this and this. So this is called FB. I think, oh hey. But this doesn't get called because I just returned some routine, so this is getting called elsewhere. 80. Okay, so, damn it. Okay, I'll just. Damn cat. Okay, I'll just run the game without the music. And he's stuck into the loop. Okay, so where did this get called? Okay, this is the routine. Okay, I'll just copy that there. Copy the whole line. But let's try this into the original game. Like I should have done, just wasted minutes here. Run. Okay, reset. Okay, so this is called step over. I'll just copy that. So I have to locate it again. E0. Already. So. Oh no, this is the one. So see, this is the number of times he's trying to. He's loading data. So I want to find out. No, I need to go after that. Okay, so 3 and run. Okay, this is the RTS. So which function calling this? Okay, so okay, he's also checking for the 41. So he's checking. Alright, this is transferred correctly. Damn you, cat. Just go away. Alright. Okay. Another compare loop. Sorry about that. Step over. Oh, man. Okay. B1. That should do it. Yep. He's doing another one compare. Damn it. Okay, so I could be correctly. I need to go after that. 2, so 9. Another one? Damn it. So the cat wants to play. There we go. I was so close. Okay, so go after that. D1. There we go, another one. So okay, so this is called here. F1 for he. Ah, okay, so this is it. This is this routine. Okay, so when does this get called? Damn you, cat. Okay, so I'll just fill in the blanks here. Good 26 and this one. Sorry about the brain fart. And no, doesn't make sense. Oh, I got a lot to cover then, so that's why. Okay, so compare. Run. Okay, go. Damn you, cat. Okay, where I was? Okay, just remember that. Okay, this is a pretty long function, so what the? I'll just go to RTS. That'll be quicker to find out where this is called. This is the same though, the same function, so which one calling this one? F4DD? No. F4DD? No, no, no. Ah, damn it, this is calling to a loop. There you go. And this is called by okay, maybe this is called after that. Okay, so let's try. Okay. Alright, wait a minute, already did that. Reset, run. Okay, so step over. F1, no, this is okay. This is called somewhere the F2, F3 routine. Okay. 2D, F1 80, F1 43. Alright, that's right. This is called. Okay, where? I've skipped this. It should have been getting called though. Damn it. Go away, cat. Ah, man. Okay. But it only doesn't work when is the tracked stuff though. So maybe this one is doing something funky. Okay, so I'll just load my save state so we can. Okay, so what does this does? Okay, so this is related to sound. And don't remember the breakpoint. F5 B2. Okay, so let's try. Okay. Oh man, I think I'll do something crazy though. Okay, this is. Oh. Okay, so this is doing something too. So let's try just nulling this instruction and see what it does. And 3 nope, because this is taking 1 byte, and let's see what that does. Okay. If you are lucky, that should do it. Okay, right now you're working fine. Going to raise. And there we go. That was a problem. Okay, so I need to. Okay, so the sound effect out. Okay, but the sound effects are all scrambled. It's just not what I want. Okay, this game is starting to piss me off, right? really. Okay, so okay. This is the F1 routine. I'll skip some part here. I need to find out. I did get some nice. Okay, no. I did copy that like this, yeah. I'm storing data. Okay, no, this is not getting called. Maybe it's this routine. Yes, it does. But this is not getting. Yeah, it's loading some. Does it load 8x data? No. This one does though. I don't like this. Need to figure out what this does. So I just go into and just do the dumb routine to replace that correctly. So just remove that. Into the original game. If I do, and just copy because you do want the sound effects to play correctly. That's a given thing. Okay, so was okay. Ah, damn it. Okay, so that was a function I didn't call the thing that's checking for the 2143. Sorry about that. Okay, so wait a minute. This looks familiar. Okay, so okay, no, the cat, go away. All right, I'm getting tired. Maybe I should stop this and just relax for the rest of the evening. So, okay, so this looks okay. This looks fine. It does. Oh. Okay, so the X is always loading value at X. So the X is stable though. Okay. Okay, so I was FB. Okay, so I know this is kind of boring, so but I think this is need to be done to understand how the game works. In order, maybe I need something else to load the sound effects properly. But this looks like a round routine. Yeah. Okay, it was on A. Let's see. All right. Not equal to 72, so I'll just go in. I'm just too lazy to go after the breakpoint because there's not that much many values to decrease in X, so whatever. And I just went inside a GSR. Damn it. Okay, so at least I got out of it, so it's fine. Oh man, this is okay. Oh, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Step over. He's doing the jump there. Ah, man. Step into. Didn't I already log off 80? Oh, I was already out of the function. I didn't notice that. Sorry about that. So, fail. Ah, yeah, that's why it was looking familiar. This is the rest of the code I already pasted. So, okay, so I need to look deeper into the F3OA function. Maybe I should just hijack the thing that's still to play. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so yeah, I need to complete that. So to be sure, just go there and reset the game. Step over. Find 2D. Yeah. 1A. Okay. So. Does the address add up? So why does it tell to play? Maybe that's inside this or this. F1. Okay, let's go inside. F4 there. There are B. But this was called a love time, so. Maybe this one. Yeah. So how many times this get called? A lot of time, which I don't want. Ah, damn it. Because I don't want to. Right now, when I'm hijacking this, I'm hijacking the transfer to the SPC. Right now, what I'm looking at is the when the game is telling the SPC to start playing stuff. Because I just want him to transfer stuff and just I stop the playing. And this one is okay now. STC3. Okay. There is loading the pointer. ESL regret. So I just lost the string to switch, so whatever. Okay, I got 7 more minutes after I should probably left this def off. Less def off. I was starting already to lose words, so whatever. Oh man. Okay. Is loading pointers TY. Okay. Jump there. Loading stuff. Loading stuff. Q25 STA. So he starts loading more stuff. Then he branched to 2D there. Okay, so this is where just for sure. Okay. So maybe I should look. 59 set. Wait a minute. This looks interesting. So when this got red, red. Okay, no, this is. Okay, nope. Maybe you should just find out. Yeah, I'll just find out when the sound is playing. No. Because a sound is playing when you move them into the menu, so. F141. Right. Thank you. Game. I don't know why he's transferring stuff to the SPC. H fucking frame. Damn it. right, I just stopped this. I'm tired. So next time I'll try to find a way to get the sound effects playing into the game, but without the music. So see you next time.